What are your all's hours?
Monday 9 to 7,
Okay.
Tuesday 8 to 6, Wednesday 8 to 4, Thursday 8 to 6.
Just 4 days.
That is correct.
You guys are magicians. Holy
Well,
smokes.
I have to be the head magician then.
I mean, you guys, like, you
I'm
really
the
should
owner of
feel,
practice.
you should feel really good about your systems, about what you're doing, about the way you've got it set up. Because
Because I don't know. People always, people I say,
Yeah.
financial planners or people and they look at my numbers because we're transparent in practice.
Yeah.
Everybody can see the numbers. And so they tell me, but I have no idea if the guy next door is doing
no, you're crushing
10 times
it. So you're
more.
hearing,
I have no
you're,
idea.
you're in Reno, Nevada, finding out that you're crushing it.
That's right. So there's
Both
a
of you.
lot
I
of
can't
people will
speak.
tell you things in Manhattan about how special they are.
Yeah, I don't know. I have no. You wouldn't. You guys would
You,
know.
you are special.
I don't know.
We work with thousands of
Yeah,
dollars.
so I wouldn't know
So
what
now,
other
here.
people are doing.
It's Manhattan. How many people would come in on Friday, Saturday? So the math is not
Or
just the
Sunday.
math that we just
Yeah.
did. Or Sunday. Okay, or Sunday. Okay?
Mhm.
You run two different, you could have a 2-3.5 day a week.
That's what my financial plan has been telling
Okay?
me for
No,
years.
you should
Yeah.
do that. Well,
All you gotta do is find the people that want to work
just
this.
like me.
Because there are people,
Because here's what
because there are people who
Yeah.
want to be there on Friday
So-
and Saturday
so-
because they want weekdays off.
Yeah.